Everyone, we are going into Torquay today and going to give you a little POV around the town and show you what Torquay has to offer and also what it is like. So if you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit the like button, always helps me out. I'm walking with my little dog today, so let's get going. So off we go. To the left it will be the harbour, and you can see a lot of legs just on the left now on the screen, a little puggy doing his walk, and we're going to be heading to the beach, which should just be about 20 minutes away from now. You can probably see some people just getting ready for their speedboat ride or boat trip. They do a few awesome boat trips from Torquay Harbour, and you can go across Dartmoor. You can do a bit of speedboat, you can see some seals and some wildlife and just have a great day out. So Torquay is a buzzing Devonshire port and gives easy access to shops and eateries right off the harbour, i.e. you can get off one of your boats if you do have a boat and just stroll into town, grab yourself a bite to eat or enjoy a cup of coffee from the many coffee shops they have. Torquay was also known as a spa town, interestingly, and some people still call Torquay the English Riviera because of its scenic views, international marina and yachts, which give birth to, well, have birth of 1,000 berths in this harbour alone. It's well protected yacht haven too, and has great facilities for yachters. I believe that's what you call them. I could be completely wrong. So yeah, if you're a yachter, this isn't a bad shout by any means. So if you're getting yourself a little lost, there's always these maps around, which is good, as you can pinpoint where you are and also where the attractions or things you want to find, which is always a good thing, especially if you're like myself and you find yourself getting lost most of the time. point we were deciding whether or not to go left. It might have been a shortcut, but instead we went the long way round for a bit of a detour. Offshore. Looks like a coffee shop. Sure, there's some coffee shops there. Sunflowers or whatever. There's a McDonald's. They do lavender. Oh man, I'm swinging the tripod. We're not going to go down there, but just on your right, you can go down the road and head towards Union Square, which is a great shopping centre for if you want to go shopping and spend some money. Obviously, we have Sports Direct in front of you, but if you continue down the road on the right, you will see plenty of shops to fill your boots with things you like to buy. But we're going to go left now and head towards the gardens. Ahead of us, we're a town where you can get all the local shops, coffee shops and bars if you are peckish or want to quench your thirst. There's the park, there's only one. Yes. For almost a decade, the pavilion that you see in front of you has been shut off to the public and has been homed to an ice rink, shopping, and even a theatre. Some people have said it's been sad to be standing there and left derelict for that long, and there has been voices about building a potential hotel there, but let's hope not, and let's hope this pavilion continues with maybe a slight refurbishment and offers people in Torquay and tourists a great place to go for either shopping, an ice rink, or a theatre, or maybe something new. On the left is Abbey Sands and is considered Torquay's best beach for tourists. Plenty of hotels and also eateries as well. Dogs are allowed on this beach. I took Odin, but only through certain periods of the month. Otherwise they are not allowed, I'm afraid. But yep, this beach gets super busy during the summer and one of Torquay's highlights. So there we are, the POV from Torquay Harbour all the way down onto the beach. Hope you enjoyed that. If you'd like to see more videos where I'll be doing the Christmas lights, I'll be going on the Christmas train, got some hotels which are dog friendly and some reviews, etc., all that kind of cool stuff. Do feel free to give me a like and a thumbs up, always helps as a new creator, and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well, it always helps. Hope you guys having a fantastic day wherever you are watching this in the world, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.